Financial Law Enforcement. Gierran used to be the NBI chief. Balik ka na doon. Sigurado, palitan ka. Yung health mo. Hanggang ngayon, may intramurals pa. Why will you go back to the NBI and work like hell to fight COVID? Sa kasali ng COVID, pati droga. I am confident that the construction of this hospital shall be completed on time so that our OFWs and their dependents can fully enjoy the services and privileges offered by this facility. Let me also take this opportunity to encourage the management staff and various healthcare professionals who will work in the facility to perform your duty with utmost excellence, responsibility, and compassion.
Thank you for watching Politico TV. Please like and subscribe to our channel for more videos.